Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I am coming on today with a project share. I made some Halloween treat Gable boxes that I want to share with you today. I think they came out absolutely adorable. I'm going to start off and share with you what I used. I did use this Sizzix Bigs die, and it is item 659719. And this is made by Lori Whitlock. I think I picked this up. Yep, I picked it up at Hobby Lobby probably last year. It's a super cute treat box, and this is what the back looks like. I love this die. I've used it several times. And then I also picked up this Sizzix Framelits stamp and die set. I did pick this up at Michael's, and it's super, super cute. It comes with an embossing folder, and then it also comes with coordinating dies to use with this stamp set right here. And it's such a cute stamp set. I mean, I love the little Frankenstein and the little witch hat, and then all the little sayings, the boo and happy Halloween and I love candy. It's just a really cute set. So I'm really happy with the little set that I picked up. So I want to share with you what I created. So this is the first treat box right here, and I used the new bat bow that I had recently picked up. And as you can see, it's absolutely adorable. On the back, I did die cut using a scallop stitch die that's in my stash, and I stamped out trick or treat. And then I used the embossing folder and embossed the paper on the back. I die cut out another scallop, and I layered it with a stitched circle, and then I stamped and colored up this image, which is from the stamp set from the little kit, and then I went around the stamp with a gold paint marker just to give it an added touch. And I did give him a gold tooth, if you can actually see that, but I think that came out so, so cute. And I used my bat bow. This is washi tape that I picked up at Michael's from their dollar section, and I just layered some washi tape on the back of the box just for some added decoration, and I think it came out so cute. And then the box does open up like this, and then I can insert my goodies. So I haven't put anything in it because it's not Halloween yet, but now I have 3 more treat boxes ready to go for Halloween. So I really like the way it came out. Adorable. And then this is the next one. I really love the way this one came out. I did all of them a little bit different, but I did color up my little image, and again went around with a gold paint marker. I used some dies from my stash and created this little background with the little stars. I stamped out the word boo, and I added some little gems from Hobby Lobby. And then I used my black glitter bow that I just recently created, and again using the washi tape on the top and on the back. And then this one says Happy Halloween, and I used a stitched die that I just recently picked up, and I think that one came out adorable as well. Really, really fun. And then the last one I have to share with you is Little Witch Hat, and it says Hocus Pocus, and I used a different another bat bow, and again the washi tape, and I created the same little background, again just using different paper. And if you're wondering, I did use that gray stack from Michael's. It's in the Hot Buy section. It's perfect for Halloween projects. I highly recommend picking up that stack and get it, you know, obviously when it's on sale. And I think this one came out absolutely adorable. Again, I did the stamping and embossing, and I just inked around the edges with a gold paint marker just to give it an added touch. And I love the way this one came out. And again, I did the embossing on the background with the embossing folder that it came with. And then this is the back of this one, and I stamped out Happy Halloween and used a die and just cut it out. So really, really fun. I think these came out absolutely adorable. That is my project share for today. Please leave me a comment. I love to hear what you have to think. Or I'd love to hear what you have to say. And thanks for watching. Check the description box below. I'll try to leave as many links as I can to products that I used today. And that's it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.